here we have an absolutely gorgeous brand new Diamant Beltuna Alpstar 4D diatonic button accordion. This is, of course, a Steirische Helikon. And over here on the right hand, you see this very, very gorgeous wood work that has been done. And the tone on this has the very dry, traditional Austrian folk style that is very popular with players such as Herbert Pixner and some of the other more traditional players. As you can hear on the right hand, there also are gleichtones in the second, third, and fourth row. As well as some extra chromatic notes that are added to the system. Over here on the top, but everything else is the standard system that is used for most of the Steirische harmonicas. Over here we have the Helikon bass, and a very deep one at that. This also has the side air bar, which is the way that most of the accordions are being made now. So that works. It's a very easily accessed air button and a very long bar, so that works very well. So you can hear all the buttons. I'll go all out on the first row and then all in on the first row, and do so for each corresponding row. Going in. Going out on the second row. going in. Out on the third row. Going out. On the left hand, the fourth, as standard on all diatonic instruments, diatonic button accordions, you have the bottom ones go to the inner fourth row. Going up, third row, second row, first row. Now on this instrument, we have these additional two basses. We have these two additional bass notes, which help to add your chromatics. Now over here, I'm just going to play each bass note so that you can see there is a tablature available so that you can see what the configuration is, because a lot of the diatonics have different configurations on these rows. Those are extra notes. And that's pretty standard there so that you get the 4 chord on the fourth row. And then there's another extra bass note down here that allows you to play some of your bass runs